Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Fuji apples and the basic characteristics of these apples. And I've got a Fuji apple right here. Starting with the appearance. They're moderate in size and they are round shaped. They might have a little bit of a lopsidedness to it. When I sit this down, it does kind of lean to one side a little bit. No big deal on that. They have a semi-thick skin. It has a little bit of a bite to it. They're a little bit waxy. And as you can see here, it has a greenish, yellowish type of base to it with some red on top of that. The skin colorations may vary a little bit based on the cultivation techniques. The flesh is what's special about Fuji apples. They're dense and juicy and crispy, has kind of a fine grain, and it's kind of a pale ivory to a whitish in color on the inside. The flavor and texture of Fuji apples is what really catches me and makes this one of my favorite apples. They're dense and juicy and crispy and really have a wonderful blend of sweet tart. It's exceptionally sweet on that, and it's juicy, it's firm, and it's crispy. It's everything I would personally want in an apple. And some people say it has the perfect blend of sweet and tart flavor. Some people consider it to be the sweetest of all apple varieties. They have a Brix, which is a sugar level of 15 to 18, makes them one of the sweetest apples. Maybe that's why I like them so much. Regarding the storage and shelf life of Fuji apples, they do have a long storage life with them, and it makes them available for sale year-round. They need to be kept in a cool, dry, dark place like your refrigerator, and when you get them home, they could last for you up to 3 months, maybe even longer, depending upon how old they are when you buy them. They're one of the best apples for freezing as well. So if you use frozen apples in any way, Fuji apple is a good one for freezing. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.